Imagine being a business owner, credit controller, or a CFO, having to go through emails, Excel, and multiple databases to track outstanding invoices, manually chase payments, then collect and reconcile those payments with your existing systems. Now, imagine doing it for more than 100 clients and chasing more than 100 unpaid invoices. These processes take time, are filled with errors, and are now things of the past. For the first time, there is a platform which can integrate with your existing systems. Open the dashboard and you're provided with an instant visibility into all your payments. For the first time, all of your communications are centralized in one place, with the assistance of AI and machine learning to help identify the right strategy, timing, tone of voice, and channel to communicate with your clients. For the first time, your day-to-day workflow can be easily organized, as Kolleno provides you with an action board and to-do list with reminders. There is no way you will miss a single unpaid invoice. Not only does it simplify your company daily operation, it also helps out your clients, offering a frictionless way to make payments through our customer portal. Clients can pay faster in a way that meets their needs. At Kolleno, we make your life easier so you and your team can focus on what matters the most, your business and your clients.